In this video, you will learn how Redis sorted sets let you store members with numeric scores, query them by rank or score range, and update scores atomically, all the primitives you need to build a leaderboard. A sorted set is like a regular set, but every member carries a numeric score. Redis maintains the order for you, so reading the top 10 players or finding everyone above a threshold is a single command, not a sort in your application. Internally, Redis combines a skip list with a hash table. The skip list keeps members sorted, so range and rank queries run in O of log n, plus the number of results returned. The hash table gives constant time score lookups by member name. We add 4 players, then use ZINCRBY to atomically add 30 to ADA score. ZRANK shows her position from the bottom, ZREVRANGE gets the current leader, and ZRANGEBYSCORE returns everyone between 40 and 100. When reviewing a PR, flag any code that reads a score and then sets it in 2 separate commands, that is a race condition that ZINCRBY eliminates. Also watch for unbounded ZRANGEBYSCORE calls and for keys being used to discover sorted set names at runtime. Sorted sets give you automatic ordering, atomic increments with ZINCRBY, and fast rank and range queries, all in O of log n. Replace any read, then write score update with ZINCRBY, and you eliminate a race condition for free.